Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 8th of October. And first of all, national news. PM Modi hailed 24,000 crore rail projects to boost connectivity across four states. Subhanshu Shukla urged students to innovate for Viksit Bharat 2047 vision. PM Modi met US delegation led by Walter Russell Meade. IAF ready to meet any challenge with speed and precision, Air Chief Marshal. Centre approved 903 crore rupees for fire services in Haryana, MP and Rajasthan under NDRF. Shivraj Singh Chauhan released 21st PM Kisan installment for flood affected Jammu and Kashmir farmers. Education Ministry extended registration deadline for Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 to October 11. DRDO and TRI services unveiled IRSA 1.02 standardized military communication. Now, international news. PM Modi greeted President Putin on 73rd birthday. Global research showed 54% of 2023 heatwave deaths caused by climate change. Three US scientists won 2025 Nobel Prize in Physics for quantum chip breakthrough. French PM Sebastien Lecornu resigned after just 26 days in office. UN Chief Guterres decries lack of progress on women, peace and security agenda. Now, sports news. Lanthoyi Chanambam won India's first ever medal at Judo Junior World Championships. Kerala CM chaired meeting on Argentina football team playing in Kochi. MS Dhoni completed drone remote pilot training in Chennai. And news related to business. World Bank raised India's growth projection to 6.5% for 2025 to 26. AI being weaponized for fraud, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. And that's all in news. Thank you.